Hello, my one and only best friend from Canada, Mr. Jim Morin. Thanks for the nomination and I accept. Behind me, it's not the massive of the Himalaya, the Mount Everest. No. I'm here in the middle of nowhere, deep in the outback of Australia. It's the National Ayers Rock Park, and behind me, called the Olga Rocks, in their own language, Katatyunya. So, okay, then I start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Okay, first day completed, and so I nominate for the next the very famous Staff Sergeant Christian Iron Bichsel from Austria. Your turn.